What is up, y'all boys? Today, $9,850 was made in 12 minutes. The title probably says 10 because I'm a D1 clickbaiter, but that's besides the point. I made it, and guess what? The crazy part is I'm only 17, right? And it just shows that I've been putting in the work, and I've been at this for such a long time to the point now where I can make such a large amount of money in such a short time. Like for a lot of you, that's probably like 4 months of work, four months of flipping patties, and I made that in what 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Obviously, there's going to be losing days, but so far on that count, we've had 100%. Discord also cashed out today. Everyone followed the strap. Some guy joined in like a week ago. He's only been winning and he's close to passing his eval. It's been insane right now. Insane. It's just all been good. Happy a lot of you guys are understanding the concept and been watching all the lectures and been every single group call. Hopefully I'm gonna review all y'all's trades today and hope I don't see that much mistakes. It's besides the point. Let's actually get into the trade that I took, why I took it, and why you guys didn't take it because you guys are shitty traders. I'm just playing, but let's see. All right, so first thing I want to show you guys is obviously the win. It's right here, $9,850. We go on the trades tab. We can see this is the exact thing for my broker. It was about a 12-minute trade, 6:47. I bought it, 6:59. I sold it in the macro. Following the trade, macro is the best probable time trade, and I've been saying this for a minute now, and it just shows for itself. A lot of you guys have been backtesting. Like yesterday, some guys in my Discord were doing FX replay battles, and they had 100. Like one of them had 100% win rate. The one that won the FX replay battle had 80% win rate, and he had like almost like very small losses because he realized that he sold that break even honestly on all of them, so he only won. But yeah, so let's talk about why I took this trade. Obviously, I journal it. You know, if you guys are not on Trade Nova, hop on Trade Nova because best journaling app out there. Why? Because you journal everything, and then AI analyzes your entire thing, gives you an AI psychology insight score, tells you more about discipline, your goals, your issues, and your summary. And then you go on AI Mentor, and you could just ask questions, and it goes through your entire account and tells you what you could be doing better. So I would highly recommend this app for anyone who has psychological issues because again, psychology is the most important thing in trading. It's genuinely a battle, and I have videos on this on my YouTube. I really recommend those to you guys. Like my psychology videos, a lot of people tell me it truly helped them build good habits. So I honestly recommend it to every single one of you. But let's actually look. It's crazy though, 2,900 but let's actually look. I told you guys I'm gonna size up just because it's a new account. I started off slow, 200K in the account, and then I sized up a lot more for this trade, and I made 9,950. I like to warm up and just because I have a trade because I was working actually. I made this app, and it's crazy because like a couple months ago, I would have never thought that I would be at a point where I could make my own app. But now I have my own app, Trade Nova, right? And I know like you guys probably not gonna get it now that I told you it's mine, but yeah, I really recommend it to everyone. But it just shows like you stick to it. You could make insane things. You could change different games. Like right now, I'm so focused on changing the trading game, making sure everyone becomes profitable with my app and my Discord, that it's just like only up from here, right? But when we look at the actual journal, I obviously like as you guys can see, as I said, I'm gonna size up. So 303, 820, 730, now 9,850. Crazy jump, but it's besides the point. Let's actually get into my bias and why I took this trade. If we hop on the 15-minute chart, right? Yesterday I saw turtle soup right here. Turtle soup, easy manipulation, and then I knew that market was probably gonna move up on Monday. There was no news, as you guys can see, no news Monday. But we had a high right here, PXL. Okay, 15-minute PXL. So I waited for market to obviously pump through that PXL, easily pump through, and then it rebalanced off that PXL. Okay, so what do we create? On the 5-minute, we created a fair value gap. Oh, this is a 15-minute. Let me go check it out. As you guys see, 15-minute, we created a fair value gap. So I was waiting market to rebalance into that fair value gap. Right when it rebalanced, that's pre-macro. Right when macro opened at 9:45, right? Let's go check. 9:45 after the rebalance, I was waiting for market to pump up. And if we actually really look at it, it's so simple. Like we had a liquidity sweep right here, and it follows AMD perfectly. We have accumulation, manipulation into that 15-minute fair value gap. So I knew market was about to distribute. Okay, but now we need an optimal entry. If macro opens at 9:45, we can't take an entry throughout this entire thing. Also, I would have took an entry probably somewhere here, but macro is the most probable time, and it shows because look what happened when macro opened. It was so simple, so easy. So let me just remove these. Okay, so let me tell you guys what my thought process was. So first of all, we have turtle soup, right? Turtle soup right here. Market manipulating. Okay, perfect. We have another turtle soup right here. Okay. The same turtle soup. But then we also have a rejection block, right? Mark the rejection block. And since the reason why I marked the rejection block is because we have no like draw liquidity on the top. So the best way that I could mark out my draw liquidity if market rejects this rejection block, which it did, is off possibly an order block. So I waited for market to make an order block. Okay, we made an order block, and then now my entry was gonna be off the order block. My take profits has been negative 4 inch, but I did cut it a little short. I could have aimed for there, but I think I marked it out like a little wrong. I was like that, and so it ended up like here, which just shows you have to be like very very precise with it. Because I could have aimed for -4, or wait, that was not negative. That was not it. Right. Okay, right there. Okay. So yeah, I could have aimed for -4, but I didn't. So that's besides why I still hit TP. My thing was at -4. You guys check my Instagram; it was there, but it's whatever. So what do we have? Market rejects a rejection block. We have turtle soup. Okay, market rebalancing into the rejection block. Perfect. We have displacement. Okay, displacement. But I need another confirmation because the market should be rebalancing into any of these zones. So I would for inverse fair value gap because we have a fair value gap on the 1 minute right here. The moment that market displaced through this fair value gap, I automatically assumed that we were just gonna keep pumping up because it's a fair assumption. And we had no draw liquidity on the top, so I had his mark out standard deviation. And if you guys don't know top tickers, bottom tickers is how they set up projection block and then standard deviation. They freaking top tick like G's, like straight up G's. So overall bias was bullish. Now I waited for value gap, aim for 1-to-1. My stop loss at these lows right before the rejection block at the consequent encroachment range of this order block, and then market TP hit 12 minutes, $9,850. I was so confident in this trade, like genuinely, because we have turtle soup here, and then right before I entered the trade, we had turtle soup. If we did not have the turtle soup that I saw, the one right here, I would not probably have entered that trade because manipulation is so important in my strategy. I'm gonna journal this. Let me check my journal. I saw manipulation turtle soup from Friday before closing. It's known as Monday. Market opening from, but it's very short. Okay. Trade $9,850 won. I'm so happy because genuinely a lot of you guys have been just doing it in the Discord. Like I feel like I was scared to open up my Discord at first because I thought, okay, what are people think of my strategy? But I'm so happy because I've been making sure I keep you guys disciplined. Like a lot of you motherfuckers, genuinely, a lot of you motherfuckers, you guys do absolutely bullshit. So I have to be there on group calls to yell at you. Like one of my students was telling me, bro, I was gonna sell this at break even Faisal, but I knew you were gonna crash out if we were on a call. And I was like, yeah, I would have. So good thing you didn't, because he won the trade. He generally won the trade. So like I'm just happy I keep everyone in check while they're following my strategies. Today I'm gonna post another lecture in the Discord for you guys. It's gonna be a very, very good one. And then yeah, it's just another group call, probably a long one today too, going over everyone's trade and explaining some new shit to you guys. But yeah, keep back testing, stay consistent, and make sure you guys got it. All right. I love y'all. Discord, it's in the bio. I genuinely recommend everyone join the Discord. I promise, I guarantee you, my goal right now is to make every single person in my Discord filthy rich. Filthy rich. So please go check it out. I'm gonna link another video in my bio for another YouTube video about psychological stuff because I know a lot of you have been struggling with psychological issues. So I'll link that in the bio. But yeah, I'm gonna make everyone on my Discord filthy rich. I generally don't care. I'm gonna have the best Discord to ever come to mankind. Like I'm gonna have $1 billion in payouts. But yeah, I love y'all. Take care, and I'll see y'all.